Anansi the Spider vocabulary. 1. Deceived. Meaning, tricked or lied to. Sentence. She felt deceived when her friend told a lie. 2. Bargain. Meaning, a good deal or agreement. Sentence. I got a bargain on my new shoes because they were on sale. 3. Reputation. Meaning, what people think about someone. Sentence. He has a good reputation for being honest and kind. 4. Astonishment. Meaning, great surprise or shock. Sentence. She looked in astonishment when she saw the giant cake. 5. Composure. Meaning, staying calm in a difficult situation. Sentence. He kept his composure during the big test. 6. Reveal. Meaning, to show something that was hidden. Sentence. She will reveal the secret at the party. 7. Traditional. Meaning, something that has been done the same way for a long time. Sentence. We eat a traditional meal on holidays. 8. Illustrate. Meaning, to show or explain with pictures or examples. Sentence. The book illustrates the story with colorful drawings. 9. Interpret. Meaning, to explain the meaning of something. Sentence. She helped interpret the teacher's instructions for the class. 10. Predict. Meaning, to guess what will happen next. Sentence. I can predict that it will rain by looking at the dark clouds.